Hello, today I will be showing you how I created my poll through SurveyMonkey, and I will also show you how I created the questions, how I posted the form, and also how I can go back and check the form entries and other data that's collected via the polls. So to start off with, I used Wufoo by SurveyMonkey. Super simple, and you get five forms to start with and 95 entries, so lots of variety. This will be great for a starting classroom. So first of all, I'll show you how I created my form. We'll go back to edit form so you can see what I've already created with my other. So my first form, you can title it here with a form name and a description. So I did mine all about plant care to go along with my website building. And I also gave the learners and surveyors some description about what the survey is for and what it's going to be used for. I feel like this helps some surveyors when they answer questions, just so they make sure they give you their personal feedback, and it's very clear and concise and as close as possible to what they are truly experiencing. So over here, if you go to add a field, there's different types of questions that you can be doing. You can do a single line text, a paragraph text, numbers, check boxes, and I preferred to use check boxes on my poll because I felt like there was variety in questions and surveyors can click more than one, so that's always nice. There's drop downs, multiple choices, so there's a lot of variety here in your types of fields that you can create. And also, if you wanted to add more information, you definitely could if you chose to upgrade. So this allows my surveyors to have a little bit depth. So one question I did on a scale of 1 to 5, so I just did a checkbox and then set it up here, and it'll pop up a new one at the bottom, I believe. So all the questions show up like this, similarly, some in a different fashion, and you can put your question here and then do your type if you want to do a drop down, a number, a file upload, a paragraph text. So let's try a drop down for this one. And so in that sense, you could do a drop down. And then you have your first, second, third choice, and if you want to add more, you can do that. And as soon as you're done, you can add more instructions, and then you can click add a field and it will automatically add another one. So you can do that. And then if you go to share form, after you're completed, you can save your changes. And here it has your embedded link, which I copy and pasted, and then I actually shared to Facebook to get my results. And so going back here a little bit, and you can see entries from friends and family or whatever. And so you can tell that I have 8 so far. So let's click on the 8th one because this one's new and I have not seen it yet. And so here's the layout. This is what it looks like as a final suggestion for people. So these are their questions and then their answers. So this person on a scale of 1 to 5, 1 being no knowledge at all and 5 having a fair amount of knowledge, this person felt fairly confident in their decision and knowledge about plant care. So this allows me to understand my learner's background a little bit more. And then these following questions just ask a little bit more detail about what topic they would like to see more, or any questions. And nobody has answered the paragraph question yet. But if they answered this question, there's a box here and their response would show up there. So this is an awesome survey. I really enjoy this program and I definitely will use this again. New to me, but it has a lot of great resources and is easy to use for teachers. So that is the end of my screencast video, and I hope you enjoyed.